Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd share with you one of our favourite evening meals. It's super quick and easy to make, which is what we all need right now with the kids just going back to school. These pulled pork rolls are sure to be a hit in your house, just like they are with our kids too. So first of all, I've just boiled the kettle with about 600 mils of water, and I'm just going to pop that into my slow cooker. The piece of meat that I'm using is a boneless leg joint. I got mine from Asda and they are 3 for £10 at the moment. You get quite a lot of meat on this joint. I just leave the strings on and just pop it straight into the water really carefully because that is very hot water. And then I put it on for 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high, just with the lid on, and just leave it to do its thing. So this is about 5 hours later. Looks pretty good. Okay, so it's been about 8 hours now and everything's thoroughly cooked through. So I'm just going to remove it from the slow cooker and put it into a glass dish. And then I'm going to take off the string from the joint of meat. The next step for me is to remove all of the fat off of the meat because my family do not like the fat to be mixed in with the meat. Some people do, but we don't, so I'm just going to scrape all that off into the corner of my dish, and then I shall put that to cool in the slow cooker, and then I'll be able to throw it away later on. So now that I've got rid of all the fat, I'm just going to use a knife and fork to shred up the meat. I'm going to shred it up quite small into small pieces, and then I shall spread it out into my glass dish. So once the meat is nice and shredded to how you like it, it's time to put the barbecue sauce on. I am using Asda's own barbecue sauce. It's our favourite one. It's quite a sweet one, but the kids really like it. I'm using 8 tablespoons of sauce and just making sure that I give it a good mix in so that all of the meat has got a really nice equal coating of the barbecue sauce all over it. I like to serve our pulled pork in a part baked roll. These are from Aldi and they take about 12 minutes to cook in the oven. So I'm just going to get those on my wire tray and then I'll pop those into the oven for about 6 minutes before I put my pulled pork back in to warm up again. So I'll put the bread rolls in for 6 minutes initially, and then I will put the pulled pork back into the oven for a further 6 minutes, and then that just heats up the barbecue sauce nicely. So whilst I'm waiting for all of that to cook, I am just going to prepare a few bits of salad to go alongside the baguettes. So we've just got some cucumber, tomatoes and some little gem lettuce. I love sour cream, so I've got that to go on the side as well. And then I'm going to now get out of the oven my pulled pork. Once it's out of the oven, you're just going to want to give it a little mix up. Some bits may stick to the dish, so just give it a good stir and then you can start to distribute it equally between all your rolls. So here's our finished meal for tonight. Everybody really loves it and I can't wait to get stuck in. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a big thumbs up and drop me a comment below. Take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.